Assalamu alaikum girls. Today I'll be sharing some shocking information about alcohol as an ingredient in your skincare products. I totally understand that there is so much of misleading information online, but alcohol as a main ingredient in your skincare product is actually not good, and you should avoid those products in the first place if you have smallest amount of care for your skin, because alcohol as a main ingredient in your skincare products is a genuine problem. So there are few kinds which are good for your skin, the other ones are bad. The good ones can also be taken in small amount, not more than a required amount. So the ones that are labeled as SD, denatured, isopropyl benzyl methanol or propanol are really appealing to people with oily skin because of their quick reactions such as drying up the formula, weight loss and decreased finish, but they are bringing some great danger and damage to your skin. So put the product back if you see any kind of alcohol in the first 6 ingredients of the product, because they bring you nothing but more damage. The possible consequences are damage of the protective layer, dryness, forceful skin replenishing, renewing and rejuvenating process that ultimately bring permanent damage to your skin or weakens it. There are the good ones as well, known as cetyl, sterol or cetyaryl alcohol, that are good for your dry skin, but they have to be taken in a small amount to avoid any damage. As an alarm for people with oily skin, alcohol may feel tempting due to its immediate mattifying effect, but actually it is forcing your skin to produce more oil that will eventually end up into more bumps and large pores. So what do you think about this information? I love to hear from you, so let me know something about it in the comment section below. I would love to answer your questions. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram or Facebook. I share some really interesting information there. Links are in the description box below. I would also love to see you subscribe and hit the like button if you find this information interesting. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back with another video.